Hello everyone, I am Kajal with you and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll solve the question number 12, 13, 14 and 15 of Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. And अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए so that आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिलते रहें. So let's start with the question number 12. In the question number 12, the ratio of x and y is given 3:2 with the capitals of 8 lakh and 6 lakh. Interest on capital is 5% per annum and the annual salary of y is 60,000. Profit for the year is given before interest on capital but after charging y's salary was 2,40,000. After that, a provision of 5% of the profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. And now we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Question number all. First of all, we will prepare the profit and loss account, right? Profit and loss account. So the reason behind maintaining this profit and loss account is हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि we have to prepare a provision of 5% of profit for manager's commission. So manager commission is not a part of profit and loss appropriation account. It is a part of profit and loss account. That is why I am preparing this profit and loss account. Here we will write the gross profit, which is profit for the year. This is our gross profit. And one more thing, in the question it is given that the profit is before interest on capital and after y's salary. So we will add the y salary into 2,40,000. I am adding the y's annual salary, which is 60,000, to the profit. Now my profit for the year is 3 lakh. And on the debit side, I will write to provision for manager's commission. Right? And manager commission is 5% on the net profits. So profit is 3 lakh and 5% we will calculate. So tell me, what is the 5% of 3 lakh? Yeah, it is 15,000 rupees. Now you can balance both of the side and you will get net profit for the year. So this is 3 lakh and this is 3 lakh. So what is the balancing amount, students? हाँ जी, तो बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट जो हमारे पास आएगा वो होगा हमारा टू नेट प्रॉफिट एंड ये प्रॉफिट हमारा जाएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में. दिस इज़ 2,85,000 rupees only. So I will transfer this amount to profit and loss appropriation account. So this is our profit and loss appropriation account. Now I am starting. So first thing, I will transfer the net profit. So by profit and loss account, this is net profit transferred from profit and loss account. And this is 2,85,000 rupees. Now we have to allow interest on capital, which is 5% per annum. So this is to interest on capital. There are two partners, x and y. So here I am calculating the amount of interest on capital. So here for x we will calculate the x capital is 8 lakh So 5% and Y's capital is 6 lakh. So 5% of 6 lakh. As it is given, we have to calculate the interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum, right? So the amount of interest on capital is 40,000 for X and 30,000 for Y. Okay. I'll write here 40,000 for X and 30,000 for Y. So total amount of interest on capital is 70,000. Okay. Now we have to allow the salary to Y. So to Y's salary. It is 60,000 per annum. So 60,000 per annum. And now we have to do nothing. Is there anything given in the question? No. So we will balance both of the sides. It is 2,85,000 rupees. Here also 2,85,000 rupees. Find out the balancing amount, students. To profit transferred to partners capital account. To X and to Y. So balancing amount is 2,85,000 minus 70,000 and 60,000. So the divisible profit is 1,55,000 rupees. And we will distribute this 1,55,000 rupees in the profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. Here I will show you the distribution of profit. $1,55,000 and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2, I think. Yes, 3:2. So for X, it will be 1,55,000 into 3/5, and for Y, it will be 1,55,000 to 2/5. So what is the final amount? Final amount is, for X it is 93,000 and for Y it is 62,000. Okay, so we will write this amount here. So for X it was 93,000 and for Y it is 62,000. So this is your profit and loss account for the question number 12. Now we'll do the question number 13. In the question number 13, there are two partners, Prem and Manoj. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. As per partnership deed, we have to pay salary to Prem and a commission to Manoj. We have to allow interest on capital, and also we have to charge interest on drawing. As the Prem and Manoj drawing are given 1,250 and Manoj it is 425. Interest on capital is also given, and profit for the year is 90,575. This is the profit and loss appropriation account, and I'll transfer profit here. So by profit and loss account, it is 90,575. This is profit transferred from profit and loss account. And now we have to give interest on capital. So to interest on capital. So there are two partners, Prem and Manoj, and interest on capital is given 10,000 and 7,500 for Manoj. So total interest on capital is 17,500. Okay. Now it is also given that we have to give salary to Prem. So salary account, this is for Prem, एंड इट इज़ गिवन दैट 2500 रुपीज़ पर मंथ. तो हम पूरे साल का कैलकुलेट करेंगे. फॉर द पर एनम विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12. सो इट विल बी 30,000 rupees. Now there is a commission to Manoj. So to commission, this is to Manoj. It is 10,000 per annum. And after that we have to charge interest on drawings. So by interest on drawings. So for Prem and for Manoj, the amount of interest on drawing is 1250, and for Manoj it is 425. So total is 1675. So we will balance both of the sides. After balancing both of the sides, I will get 92250 and 92250. Now we will calculate the divisible profit. So what is the balancing amount? Balancing amount is 34,750. Now we will distribute between Prem and Manoj. So for Prem, 34,750 multiply by 3/5, as the profit sharing ratio is 3:2, and for Manoj it is 75 into 2/5, as it is given 3:2. Okay, so this is the question number 13, and it was your profit and loss appropriation account for question number 13. Now we will do the question number 14. In this question, there are two partners, Rima and Seema. The profit sharing ratio is equal. Both Rima and Seema will get monthly salary 15,000, and interest on capital is 5% per annum. Interest on drawing is 10% per annum. The capital is 5 lakh each, and the drawings during the year was 60,000 each. दोनों की drawing 60,000 है per month. But in this case, the firm has incurred a loss of 1 lakh during the year. There is no profit. So how will do this question? Just have a look. Now in case of loss, we can't allow the interest on capital and salary. जब तक हमें क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं गिवन है कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल और सैलरी जो है दैट इज़ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. अगर ये स्टेटमेंट हमें क्वेश्चन में दी है तभी हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल और सैलरी चार्ज करेंगे, लाइक अलाउ करेंगे पार्टनर को. बट देर इज़ नथिंग गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, सो हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल और सैलरी पार्टनर्स को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. यही प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट का मतलब होता है कि जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन, ये सारी चीज़ें एप्रोप्रिएशन होती हैं. एप्रोप्रिएशन मीन्स अगर प्रॉफिट हुआ है तभी हम ये पार्टनर को देंगे, अदरवाइज हम पार्टनर को नहीं देंगे. बट इंटरेस्ट ऑन drawing is charged from partner, so we will charge from partner interest on drawing. It is given that the drawings of Seema and Rima is 60,000 each. So here I'll calculate the interest on drawing. So drawings are, Rima has withdrawn 60,000 rupees and Seema has also withdrawn 60,000 rupees. So it is given that we have to charge 10% per annum. So I am calculating at the rate of 10% per annum. So 10 by 100. And one more thing, students, like it is not given that partners ने ये amount कब withdraw किया है, right? So कभी भी अगर ऐसा होता है तो like हमें क्या करना होता है, हमें interest on drawings जो है वो एज एन एवरेज 6 मंथ्स का कैलकुलेट करना होता है। लाइक सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स की मैंने एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाई हुई है, लाइक इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स हम कैसे चार्ज करते हैं, और उसका लिंक इस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, सो यू कैन वॉच दैट वीडियो। ओके, सो द अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज 3000 and 3000 for both Rima and Seema. So here I'll write by interest on drawings. This is for Rima and this is for Seema. It is 3000 and net amount is 6000. Now we will balance both of the sides. So 1 lakh and 1 lakh. So what is the balancing amount? In this question the debit side is more than credit side. So this is the balancing amount by loss transferred to partners capital account to Rima and to Seema. So what is the balancing amount? It is 1 lakh minus 6000, so it is 94,000 rupees. Okay, yeah. And as the profit sharing ratio is 1:1, they are sharing profits and losses equally, so the share of Rima and Seema will equal. So it is 47,000 and 47,000 for Seema. ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। आई होप गाइज अगर आपको कभी भी क्वेश्चन में लॉस दिया हो तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकें। ओके, एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, अगर हमें लॉस होता है राइट, सो जब तक हमें क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं दिया होगा कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल और सैलरी इज़ अ चार्ज, तब तक हम वो पार्टनर्स को अलाउ नहीं करते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट। आई होप आपको अच्छे से समझ आया ये क्वेश्चन। सो आई विल प्रोसीड टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. The question number 15, there are two partners, Bhanu and Pratap, sharing profits and losses equally. The capitals are fixed at 8 lakh and 10 lakh respectively. The drawings of during the year were 50,000 and 1 lakh. The interest on capital is a charge. So this statement shows that whether there is a loss or there is a profit, we have to allow the 10% interest on capital to partners. Okay, the next thing is interest on drawing is given at the rate of 15% and profit for the year is 1,20,000. So let's do this question. This is the question number 15 and profit for the year is given 1,20,000 rupees. So students, in this question we have to allow interest on capital 10% per annum, right? So what will the amount of, and this is also mentioned in the question very clearly that interest on capital is a charge. So whether there is a profit or there is a loss, we have to allow the interest on capital. So I am writing here to interest on capital. So for Bhanu and for Pratap. As you can see in the question, the capital of Bhanu is 8 lakh. So interest on capital is 10%. So here I will show you the amount of interest on capital. This is the interest on capital. As for Bhanu, 8 lakh 10% per annum, and for Pratap it is also 10% per annum. So I have calculated at the rate of 10% per annum, right? So this is 80,000 and 1 lakh. Now I will write the amount here. So this is 80,000 and this is 1 lakh. Sorry, 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh and 80,000. Now we have to charge interest on drawings from partners. So it is given in the question that the drawings of partner, the interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate of 15%, right? So here I will calculate the interest on drawings. So here we will calculate interest on drawings. So drawings of partners during the year were 50,000 and 1 lakh. So for Bhanu, $50,000 and for 1 lakh. At the rate of 15% we will calculate. It is given in the question. एंड मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि अगर हमें क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन नहीं होता है कि वो ड्राइंग्स पार्टनर ने कब की हैं, राइट, हमें एग्जैक्ट कोई डेट मेंशन नहीं है, सो हम एज ऑन एवरेज 6 मंथ का कैलकुलेट करते हैं, राइट. सो व्हाट इज़ द फाइनल अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग? So this is the amount of interest on drawing, 3750 for Bhanu and 7500 for Pratap. Okay, I'll write here by interest on drawings from Bhanu and from Pratap. It is 3,750 and 7,500. Total amount is 11,225. Now we will balance both of the sides. So as the debit side is more than our credit side, so there is a loss. Here 1,80,000 and here also 1,80,000. Now we'll get the balancing figure by loss transferred to partners. And one more thing, students, in the question it is given that the capitals are fixed. So we will write here to partners current account. Okay, yeah, for Bhanu and this is for Pratap. Now we will calculate the share of loss for Bhanu and for Pratap. Balancing figure is 48,750, right? Now we will calculate the share of loss of Bhanu and Pratap. It is given in the question that they are sharing profits and losses equally, so we will distribute this profit equally, and the share of loss of Bhanu is 24,375 and for Pratap it is also 24,375. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'm so glad that you all are supporting me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, and please share this video with the needy students, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.